Turns out Montenegro doesn't want us to come cruise their waters. We have nowhere to leave the boat now for 9 days, and we're currently not checked into any country, so yeah, we got a bit on.
Get a new job, find another friend.
We arrived super late last night into Kaskade marina. We had to stop at the customs key to clear back into Croatia, but no one was open. The police said we had to wait till the morning or go up to Dubrovnik. We decided to stay put simply because it was gusting 40 knots and the weather was just terrible. We had a very interesting sail from Montenegro up to Croatia. So yeah, we ended up staying the night on the berth, which was quite nice, just to kind of get some sleep. And then this morning we managed to clear customs, and now we are on our way up to
What is it called?
Slano, which is really the only marina we can get ourselves booked into.
The only one available.
Yeah.
The airport we wanted to take off from tomorrow's back there, but we got to go 30 miles that way to park the boat.
So not ideal, but it'll be fine. It's a 4-hour motor sail. We've got the jib out at the moment and motoring along as well, so hopefully we'll get there with plenty of time. We're going to tick some jobs off on the boat, and yeah.
Say it out loud so you make it true. And put the fire out when it's close to you.
So we've got this massive job list that is just never ending, and every time you rub something out, something else gets added. And we finally decided to tick some of them off.
Slowly, Sarah, slowly.
So Adam's pulling everything apart by the looks of it.
Hopefully putting it back together the same way.
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully putting it back together. Good deed for the day today was managing to empty 2 of these boxes into the recycling bins on shore. We've been harbouring it for over a month now, so yeah. It's worked out really well because it's meant that we have pretty much zero rubbish, like landfill, with all of our food scraps going overboard, and then all this recycling. We literally go through maybe 1 bag every 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, almost waste free, which is kind of nice. We have finally arrived at Slano Marina, just north of Dubrovnik. We've got a berth the whole time we're away. We've got a flight booked, rebooked for this evening. So yeah, everything is finally sorted.
Happy days,
Feeling good? Feeling good.
Stress is gone.
It all works out in the end, doesn't it? So we have arrived back in Croatia, picked up the boat from the marina, and we paid for our cruising permit for the week. Got some fresh bread from the local bakery, and yeah, we're about to set off, stop in one little spot on the way down to Greece.
So here we are in Salado. Today we're heading down to Stone, where the longest wall in Europe is, and the second longest in the world. Then I zoom out here and then we head down to Dubrovnik to check out Croatia again, and from there we'll then head south to Greece.
music burrows in my head. And
So we've arrived in Ston and we're going to walk the ancient city wall, which actually goes all the way up to the top there, but it's shut at the moment, so you have to walk around the lower level. Yeah, so it's going to be an energetic afternoon. So the guy in the taxi told us it was the second longest wall in the world, second to the old
Great Wall.
Chinese construction. So yeah, don't think we'll be walking the whole thing, but it should take us about an hour.
Find me here, lost in a world I know most folks will never go. And I ain't never been alone, not if you think about it. I said, I've been dancing all my life.
Cheers. Just whacked my thing. We are checked out and leaving Croatia. Woohoo!
Finally.
Hopefully this time goes better than the first time.
Oh yeah.
We shall see.
Had the best downwind cruise we've had, spinnaker up all day. Now sunset dinner of stir fry, courgettes, eggplant, some other stuff. Looks good. Thanks baby.
Bon appetit. Just on night shift and we're heading towards Greece from Croatia. It's pretty quiet out there tonight, but there is a very cool lightning storm happening behind us, as you can see. It's pretty spectacular to watch, and I'm hoping that it's going to push some wind our way, but at the moment we haven't really got much, so fingers crossed.
Look at old Sammy back there, surfing the waves, having an awesome time. Jealous. Best surf we've seen so far in the Med.
Girl, I say
if only life would lean our way. Well, you and me, we'd run away to be wherever our adventure waits. And time would be a distant memory. Nobody could tell us to stay. Well, I've been dreaming ever since I've seen you happen when you came my way.
We got into Corfu first thing this morning about 5 a.m, just as the sun was coming up, but we decided to go straight to sleep because catch up on some much needed shut-eye. And now we have anchored in a little bay just north of the marina. We've come in just so we can check in with the port police in Greece here and get some groceries, do some laundry, all that kind of stuff, and then hopefully we will set off very soon. I am drooling over the herb plants here. Why can't my herbs look like this? It is now 1:30 in the afternoon. We are still trying to check into Greece. They seem to be having some sort of difficulties because the boat is registered in New Zealand, but the VAT has been paid in the EU, and they don't seem to recognise that. So yeah, we are down in Corfu town now. Got a $20 taxi to the customs people here. We've been round about 3 different people and then trying to kind of figure out what they're going to do with us. So yeah, haven't even had breakfast yet. Pretty hangry, but hopefully it all sorts itself out soon. Adam's been very patient trying to get it all sorted for us. Food, glorious food. We've just grabbed a sandwich and we're heading back to Port Captain number 1. Or was it number 2? Can't remember.
Number 1.
To get a cruising permit, finally. Having fun there, Ed?
Too much shopping as per usual.
Too much shopping. We did a really big supermarket shop and the bags are too heavy. So we have taken a trolley for a joyride. And I'm sure we'll bring it back. It was late afternoon before we were ready to leave, and we headed about 50 nautical miles south and anchored in the dark in a small harbour, hoping it would be all good when we woke the next morning.
So we got in here at 10 PM last night. It was pitch black. There's a few more boats just here, but very tight anchorage. A very beautiful bay to wake up in to go for our morning swim. These Briggles.